Let's dive into how digitizing your daily operations delivers a powerful return on investment.
Ever wonder what those manual operations are really costing you?
Well, it adds up fast.
In fact, most businesses spend 2 to 3 times more on these inefficiencies than our solution costs.
The contrast is pretty stark, right? Manual work drains resources. Digital solutions build real value.
So let's get to the solution. This is the Security First Digital Platform, or SFDP.
Think of it as a total operational upgrade that streamlines everything and boosts your security.
It covers everything: visitors, attendance, deliveries, even security patrols, all in one place.
Okay, but how does this help your bottom line? Let's see how these features create value.
Take visitor management. Instead of old-school registers, you get secure QR code access. The result is faster, totally secure access, making a great first impression every single time.
Now, what about tracking materials? That's where digital registers and delivery challenges come in.
This gives you a perfect digital audit trail, so you can say goodbye to lost paperwork. All right, security patrols. How do you really know your guards are completing their rounds on time?
With real-time monitoring, you can guarantee your property is secure and your guards are accountable.
So what does this all mean for your bottom line? A truly measurable return on investment.
For starters, you can expect a 25 to 35% reduction in your staff's manual workload.
That's a massive amount of time freed up for your team to focus on what really matters.
Plus, you get faster audits, real-time visibility across all your sites, and happier staff.
And the best part? Your investment is completely flexible. You only pay for what you actually use.
Just select the modules you need now. You can always scale up as your business grows.
So the bottom line is this: the Security First Digital Platform basically pays for itself.
So, are you ready to transform your operations from a cost center into a real value driver?
The next step is easy. Book a personalized demo to see the platform in action for yourself.